In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to invite friend to join Bybit, and also you're going to earn commission for that. So all you just have to do to find your invitation code or link is to open your Bybit account, as you can see on my own account right here. Then click on the top icon on the left side beside the exchange. You just click on that, then it's going to take you straight down to this page right here. So you're going to take you straight onto this page right here. Then you can see invite friend, so just click on that invite friend. Then you can see your referral link, so you can see right here. So invite fee, the giveaway. So yeah, you can also see how they explain the commission. So invite friends to earn over $1,710 USDT, and then 30% commission, and reward together with your friends via sport, the active copy trading and Bybit card. So you can see different options where you can actually earn on Bybit platform. So all you just have to do, just click on invite friend or invite fair giveaway. Then you can see the giveaway page will load. Then you can see how it looks like. Then you can also invite friend through your own link. So you can see this is my own link right here, which of course I can actually send to people, which of course I believe they'll be interested in joining or signing up on Bybit platform. So you can see this is my code. They can also scan the QR code so that they'll be able to join the platform. So this is how it works and how you can invite friend to join Bybit.